How to add two columns in Microsoft Word. Want to split your Microsoft Word document into two columns? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add and customize columns in Word. First, open your Word document and go to the Layout tab. In the Page Setup section, click Columns. From the drop-down menu, select Two. Word will immediately format your document into two equal columns. You can also choose 1, 3, left, or right, or click More Columns for additional settings. If you only want to apply columns to specific text, first select the text you want to format. Then go to Layout, click Columns, and select More Columns. Choose 2, then make sure the Apply To option is set to Selected Text. Click OK, and the columns will be applied only to the selected section. To adjust the column width, you can also use the ruler at the top of the document and drag the column boundaries. If you don't see the ruler, go to the View tab and check Ruler in the Show section. And that's how to add two columns in Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.